Question 231. You have deployed an application on a single compute engine instance. The application writes logs to disk. Users start reporting errors with the application. You want to diagnose the problem. What should you do? A. Navigate to cloud logging and view the application logs.
B. Configure a health check on the instance and set a consecutive successes healthy threshold value of 1.
C. Connect to the instance's serial console and read the application logs. D. Install and configure the ops agent and view the logs from cloud logging.
Now think for 5 seconds for the correct answer.
Correct answer is D.